Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to save in Yoshi's crafted world step by step. Press pause often to note pad placements and watch for shimmering save tokens near hidden paths. Always land gently on save points and avoid enemies until the save animation completes. Check for alternate paths that loop back to a checkpoint to reduce backtracking and conserve life and time. Practice quick repositions to master tricky jumps. I'll walk you through advanced tricks to keep your progress safe and stress-free, with step-by-step examples you can follow. Learn to chain checkpoints and use Yoshi abilities to snag elevated save tokens without risking lives. I demonstrate routes that loop back to a save point and show how items can reveal shortcut paths. These techniques reduce retries and make platforming flow more predictable and enjoyable for casual runs. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to support more tips and walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading portable game guides and jotting down level notes, making practice sessions more organized and relaxed. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up if interested. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Let's cover common mistakes that sabotage saves so you can avoid them immediately. Rushing past save tokens, ignoring alternative loops, or skipping pause checks all lead to unnecessary retries and frustration. I'll show simple habits to adopt, like scanning horizons for shimmering tokens and timing landings before enemy contact. Adopting these small routines will cut down wasted attempts and keep your runs smooth and satisfying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.